How to enable or disable pop-ups on Vivaldi browser. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable pop-ups on Vivaldi browser. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open the Vivaldi browser. And in the search bar, type Chrome column // settings. And after that, just hit enter. And it will lead you to the settings. And on the left side panel, kindly find and select privacy and security. And by doing so, it will lead you into this, in which all you need to do is to scroll down. Under the privacy and security, kindly find and select or click on site settings, in which by doing so, it will lead us in here, in which we just need to scroll down to the bottom, and under the content, just click on pop-ups and redirects. And by doing so, it will lead you into this, in which we can see the default behavior we are into. And to enable or disable the pop-ups, you can click the first choice. And the second choice to disable it, like my default behavior, in which by disabling the pop-ups, it won't allow any sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. On the other hand, by clicking the first choice or enable pop-ups, the sites can send pop-ups and use redirect. And from here, you can toggle on or off pop-ups. So that's it. If you want to know how to enable or disable pop-ups on Vivaldi browser, that is just how to do it. If you think this video was helpful, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much, and see you on our next video.